Hello guys, welcome to another Piano 7, alright, a new series, volume 1. This series is with the chord progression of 1, 5, 4, 5. Alright, if you have not watched the other videos, alright, that's 1, 4, 5, 4 chord progression, please do it to watch it. Alright, so today is volume 1 and I'm using a very simple song like Now Way Papa God Never Do Good For Me. Yeah, you can also use songs like Hallelujah, I'm not going to finish from my mouth. Oh, alright, you can still go. Hallelujah, I'm not going to finish from my mouth. Oh, you can still go. That's 1, 5, 4, 5. You can still go, guys. So I'm going to start straight forward to the intro of the song. Alright, of Now Where Papa Go Never. Alright. So it's 35, 35. 35, 34, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 3, 1, 2, 7, 1, then, dun, dun. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. That's all. Alright. So when you're doing that, you're playing 1, 5, 4, 5. So what do we do? So 5, 5, 4, ta, 5, 4, 5, 4, then ta. Then we enter the chord progression of 1, 4, 1, 5, 4, 5, like in a real sense now, alright? So I was playing. So this is C sharp major, the inversion, alright? So we are, and this is G sharp, alright? Which is the fifth, the first inversion and the second inversion, and that's what I'm playing. So 35, 1, 35, 1, 35, 1, 7, 4, 7, 5, 7, 5, then 2, then 4, then you go to 4, 1, alright, this is like 4, right, but we are playing a 2 there, so it's a C, 1, 5, and 1, 4, and 6, alright, so they come back to 1. That's all, guys. So when you do that, you do the left hand is very simple. So you play this is like a broken chord, but we'll not play this key. So this is our first. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 5, 5. The 5 down, the lower octave for 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, lower octave 4, 4, 5, come back 5, 5, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, again 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 5, 5, 2, 2, 2. You can add 5, 5, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, oh 3, 1, 3, 1. Depends on you. So all right, guys. So that's the left there. So when you combine that two with this one, you are. So that was not playing there, guys. And there's another part that I added some browns there. So I was playing. So it's 1, 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5, 6, 5, 4, 1, 5, 6, 5, 1, 5, 6, 4, 4, 5, 1, 5, 6, 5, 1, 3, 1, 3. All right. So I was so you are playing the one here when I'm omitting this. So like this, then I go to the 5. It's like 1, then I go to 5, 5, 4, then go to back to 5, then 1. Alright, guys. Please, that's all about the tutorial, and please do wait to subscribe to my channel, and God bless you. So when you combine everything, that's what you have, guys. Yeah.